टू सीएम क्रिप्टो मनी गुरु में आपका स्वागत है सीएमजी में. वेलकम टू सीएमजी. सो वंस अगेन it's a dip today, and it's a buying opportunity for all of us. But as per my prediction, market will go some more down, and you have to wait for that point, and then you can enter for your good positions to make some money. But it's time for, as I every time I told you, that it's time for altcoin, because in altcoins you have the potential, you will get the potential to make good money in future. And I, as you can see, that many news about altcoins, like after head fake, Stellar Lumen, XLM moves back above resistance. XLM is moving right now. You can see it was around 78 cent, but right now today it is around yes, 65 cent. But it is the time for altcoins. Always I have prepared a list for all of you. I will tell you in the last of this video. But before, I want to discuss some buying opportunity about altcoins. You can see Ethereum, Litecoin, Ripple, XRP daily tech analysis, and analysis say that Ethereum rose by 5.83%, but it is very risky to enter in Ethereum right now, Ethereum, Bitcoin, because those already are on very high price. So you go for altcoins like XRP, Cardano, XLM, then many more. I have prepared a list. I will discuss you later in this video. And Cardano is also a good investment for you, because when Cardano's blockchain will be fully active with the smart contracts, then you will definitely make money, because then at that time Cardano's price will be around $10, and this is the only blockchain right now who is the biggest competitor, which is the biggest competitor of Ethereum. And you can see TLM coin is a boosted cryptocurrency from the Binance launch pool, which had jumped strongly to the upside and now facing correction in the market. So you can see many new good fundamental based cryptocurrency people are launching, and you have to choose which will be a good black horse for you to make 100x. So I have made some list. Quantum cryptocurrency is 16% down in last 24 hours. In altcoins, they have potential to be 10x, 20x, 50x, 100x within few days. But on the other side, this is the downside risk also. You can lose money a similar way. So before choosing your altcoins, do your own research and read their white paper, read their services, read their website completely, then decide to enter in those. And I have prepared a list, and my team researched a lot. They researched it, everything about their marketing plans, about their business plan, about their services, about their team, everything on Twitter, on all over the internet. Then we have prepared a list, and this list will grow day by day as we will research more. So right now I have a list which will, right now, what is the price of DGB? DGB is right now down. And now I am going to discuss a list about the coins which you can buy to make more money in this market. But these are all altcoins, and always choose those coins which whose market cap is very low, because in low market caps, let's imagine, if you think that from this point of view, from this time, like if you think that Ethereum price is right now 4,082 USD, and if you want that this price will come to 8,000, then the similar way its market cap must be double, then only the price will come to 8,000. So if we see that market cap of Ethereum is right now 481 billion, then uh, another 481 billion needs to come in this uh, Ethereum blockchain. Then the price will be around 8,000. So if you choose small cap market cap coins, cryptocurrencies, then you only need few billions to for that cryptocurrency, so that cryptocurrency can reach to 1x, 2x, 5x, 10x, 20x. So this is research. I have researched altcoins whose market cap is right now very small, like under 1 billion or around 1 billion. You can see that Verge right now, Verge's XVG price was, when we made a list, its price was around 6.5 cent. Market cap was around 1 billion. And what is it? It is mineable multi-cap algorithm medium exchange and token, and it's a coin, means blockchain. And when it was launched in around 2017, and it is listed on Binance or not. Everything I have shown you that it is listed on Binance or not, or where. Reserve rights RSR is a good cryptocurrency to invest, store of value DeFi. It's a token launched on Ethereum blockchain, and around April 2019 it was launched. Woo Trade, it's another good one investment. Right now its price was right now not its price, when we researched, we created a list, then its price was around $1.28, and market cap was at that time 486. If you want this coin become double, then you just need another 486 million for the 100x profit of for the 100% profit from this price. It's a centralized exchange. Golem GLM, its price is 45 cent. Around its price was 45 cent, and our market cap at that time was 455 million. Platform was it's a platform distributed computing payment network. And ABB coin, its ticker is ABB. Its price was 44 cent. Market cap 373 million. And what is it? It's a trading view. Market cap price, origin protocol. It's OGN. It's a ticker, and price is around $1.52 and 448 million its market cap. It means that I want that you invest as per my prediction. If you like this video or like the content, or if you think similar way like me, that you just research those coins whose market cap is very small, or around 100 million, 200 million, 300 million, 400, or below the 500 million market cap, then those coins have the potential to be another Cardano. Means that coin can give you 10x, 20x, 50x maybe the amount you will invest in that. Wax is another coin to invest. It's a coin, it's a blockchain. Fetch, its price was 53 cent. Its market cap is around 401 million. Kava's price is around 6 6.31 cent, $6.31, and market cap is was around 443 million. Reef is another good one investment for long time. It's a DeFi, uh, decentralized finance protocol, and market cap was around 5 cent, and market cap was 608 million. So these are the coin, and its rank was its coin market cap where rank was around 101, 102, 140, 141, and reef rank was around 125. But when we created this, that time its rank was this. But as I'm telling you, I am posting this video for you, maybe its rank some change, like some up or maybe some down, but these are the good investment. Only few million needs to come in this platform, and it will go to 2x, 3x, 5x, 10x, or maybe 50x for you. And but before investing, see all the ecosystem, what is the environment, current environment of the crypto market. It is in downtrend or bearish trend or bull run. If it is in bull run, then you can invest. But if the downtrend started, then wait for the point when it stopped, then enter the market to uh, to save your money. So please, if you like the content, share the video with your friends on for WhatsApp and Facebook and Telegram and Twitter, and subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon, so whenever I make video for you, you get instant notification about the current market situation of the blockchain. And please make a comment if you like the video. Okay, bye bye.